Ni hao ba nian ji. Hi, you're right. Welcome to a lesson of online learning. Today we're going to be looking at family, as you can see by the presentation. So let's get stuck in and learn some Chinese. We start with an old Chinese saying. Now, that says, 金窝银窝不如自家的狗窝. Now, the translation you usually see for that is east to west, home is best. And that's translated that way because it sounds pretty cool. Yeah, it rhymes, nice and short. The literal translation, though, is a gold or silver house can't compare to the kennel in your own home. In Chinese, it's actually a lot cooler. So again, the Chinese for that is 金窝银窝不如自家的狗窝. I just thought we'd start with a cool Chinese saying. All right, here's what we're going to do today. All right, learn the Chinese word for family. We'll learn some words for family members, a little bit of culture, and we'll finish up with a language review. So let's get stuck in. So, the Chinese word for family. That's it there, 家. Now, family is super important in China, as it is everywhere. It's still common for multiple generations to live under one roof. So you'll have, grandparents, parents, kids living in the one house, the one flat. That's still very common in China. So let's learn how to talk about our family in Chinese. So the Chinese character for family, it's pronounced jia, J-I-A, first tone, jia. So originally, the character was a picture of a pig under the roof. That's the bottom left-hand corner there. And you can see that progression there is how the character has changed over time, and the modern one is in the bottom right-hand corner. So yeah, pig under a roof. Now, the pig was thought to be the first animal domesticated by the ancient Chinese. So if you're a successful peasant household, you had a pigsty, you had it made. So that then became the character of home and for family, pronounced jia. Now let's look at some family members. All right, number 2. So I thought we'd use Xiao Wanzi as the example. Now, Xiao Wanzi is actually a Japanese anime, but it's become really popular in China. So I thought we'd look at Xiao Wanzi as a pretty typical kid. We'll look at her pretty typical family to learn some words. All right. So, Baba. Baba means dad. Yeah, B-A, fourth tone. Ba. Baba, dad. Now, if you look on the left, you've got a little GIF there of the character. Now, I suggest that you write that character down in your Chinese book. You can see the stroke order there. If you count them, you should see that there's 8 strokes in writing out dad. Right, so dad in Chinese, Baba. If you need to, you can always pause the video and write the characters down in your book and then press play when you're ready to move on. So, mum, mama, very similar to the English, yeah. M-A, ma, first tone, mama. Again, characters on the left there, you can see the stroke order. Once you've got it down, pause the video, write that character down into your book. Moving along. Older sister, jie, jie. So that's a third tone, J-I-E, jie, jie, jie. And again, you've got the character on the left, which I want you to write down into your Chinese book, please. Older sister, jie, jie. And this is Xiao Wanzi, and she's the younger sister. And younger sister is pronounced Mei Mei. Mei Mei. So all of these characters, they have a sound that repeats. Yeah, dad, baba, mum, mama, older sister, jie, jie, little sister, Mei Mei. They've all got that repeating sound pattern. And grandma, nai, nai, nai. Third tone, repeated, nai, nai. And again, you've got the character on the left, so pause the video, copy the character down into your book. And this egg-headed looking gentleman is her grandpa, which in Chinese is pronounced yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Second time, Y-E, yeah. Repeated, yeah, yeah. Once you've copied that character down, we can move on. Xiao Wanzi doesn't have any brothers, no bros. So we're going to use another example to look at how to write the Chinese character for brothers. Let's use the Hemsworths. Chris on the right there is the older brother, and older brother in Chinese is ge ge, G-E first tone, ge, repeated, ge ge. Again, character on the left, have a look at the stroke order, pause the video, copy the character down into your book. So Chris Hemsworth is the ge ge, older brother, which makes Liam the younger brother, so he is the Didi, Didi, D-I, fourth tone, D, repeated, Didi. This is one of my favorite characters when I was learning how to write Chinese. I don't know why, I just think it looks really cool. It's got a cool shape with that bendy stroke that comes in there in the middle. Pause the video when you've got the stroke order down, write the character in your book. Okay, so that's all the words I want you to learn right now. I'll just do a quick cultural note before we move on. This is part number 7, part 3. So these are all the characters for the female family members. Here we've got nai nai for grandma, mama for mum, jie jie for older sister, mei mei for younger sister. Now, what do you notice about those characters? Hopefully you'll notice something about a similarity that they've all got. Because on the left-hand side, and they all have that. Now that part of the character, that's actually the Chinese character for woman. All right. Again, you've got a diagram which kind of shows you how that character's changed over time. Originally, it was a picture of a woman bowing, and then a picture of a woman kneeling. And so that part of the character, which means female, is in all of the characters for the female family members. I'm actually going to go back so you can see that again. So this part of the character here, on the left-hand side, in all of these, is the character for woman. It's in all of them. Okay, so we'll finish up with a quick review, just to go over what we've learned today. So the Chinese there, just say, just means who is this? So here we've got Xiao Wanzi's family again. So if we bring that up, that's pointing to dad. Do you remember what the Chinese characters for dad are? Hopefully you've remembered. Baba. That's her mum. How do we say mum in Chinese? Hopefully you remembered. Mama. That's her granddad. Do you remember how to say granddad in Chinese? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, for granddad. That's a grandma. Grandma in Chinese? Nai, nai. Nai, nai. That's her big sister. Big sister in Chinese? Jie, jie. Jie, jie. And Xiao Wanzi, she's the little sister. Little sister in Chinese? Mei, mei. So I'll just point at them once more using the cursor. So starting with dad. Baba. You can repeat it with me. Baba. Mum. Mama. Mama. Granddad. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Grandma. Nai, nai. Nai, nai. Older sister. Jie, jie. Younger sister. Mei, mei. All right, that's it for this lesson on family members. You can watch this as many times as you need to. Go back and check it out later on again if you need to. If you've got any questions, you can post them in our Google Classroom, contact me or Bailos, and we'll answer them if we can. Thanks for watching, guys. Good luck with your studies.